Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create animated video with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use Pixers AI. So first of all, you can visit this website app.pixers.ai, and then you're going to sign into this website with your Google account, and then you're going to describe the content that you want to create here. You can also add an image as a reference, but I'm not gonna upload an image, so I'm going to use the text only. Okay, and for the prompt, I have already asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me, guys. This is the prompt. For example, I'm going to create animated cartoon video of Cinderella story. And then I'm going to go back to my Pixers, and then we can paste the prompt here, and then you can choose the duration, and then you can select the ratio here, and once you're ready to generate the video, you can click on create. Okay, and it needs 20 credits, and don't worry guys, because you can earn the credits for free. You will get 60 credits for your daily credits. And now the video is being generated, and as you can see, this is the video I have generated before using this AI. Okay, and it's almost done guys. Okay, and let's see how the video looks like, and I'm going to play it to show you how the video looks like. Okay, and if you want to download the video, just click on this download icon and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!